Texas was bracing itself for an Omicron storm. Now it reports what's believed to be the USA's first related death. Look how quickly, over the past week in the States, Omicron, in purple here, has taken over the Delta variant, represented in orange, in new cases.
3, 2, 1, Happy New Year!
So with 10 days until 2022, its dominance, including 90% of new cases here in New York, will no doubt feature in Joe Biden's stark warning for the country's unvaccinated in an address expected later on Tuesday. But in Boston, there's anger that only the vaccinated will soon be allowed to enter restaurants, and that compulsory jabs for all city employees will be dished out. In Washington, it's indoor mask wearing that's back on the menu, like in California and New York. Such is the spread of Omicron, keeping the country's borders closed to southern Africa is now looking fruitless.
We likely are going to pull back on that pretty soon because we have enough infection in our own country, and we're letting in people from other countries that have as much or more infection than the southern African countries.
As South Africa's government believes that vaccines and high levels of prior COVID-19 infection are helping to keep the disease milder. But scientists warn against complacency, as
just a month ago, Africa was reporting its lowest number of cases in 18 months. Last week, it reported the fourth highest number of cases in a single week so far.
So alarm bells are ringing across Europe as the EU approves a fifth vaccine, this one from US firm Novavax. The new German Chancellor, visiting his Italian counterpart, warns a booster campaign is not enough and more restrictions will be needed even for the vaccinated. All as the head of the World Health Organization pushes for difficult decisions to be made sooner, with his blunt new message in the run-up to Christmas, warning the world that an event cancelled is better than a life cancelled. Mark Lobel, BBC News.